Often we want to change the layout of a pivot table. For example, I might decide that I don't want department as a column, so I'll drag department into the rows box. You don't have to have a field in your columns box. It can remain empty. So I now have 2 rows, and when I look at my pivot table, the focus is first of all on department and then on region as rows. If I wish to rearrange the order, I can drag department below region, and now the focus is on region and then department. You can easily drag the fields up and down to rearrange the order of your information. Besides creating column and row labels, we can also create report filters. For example, I might drag year into my report filter. I now have the ability at the top of my pivot table to filter by a certain year. If I hit the drop down, I could choose 2012 and OK. This shows me the pivot table, but just for the records for 2012. If I hit the drop down again, I could choose select multiple items and choose 2 years, 2011 and 2012, and OK. If I wish to return to seeing all the years, I'll hit the drop down again, clear select multiple items, click on all, and OK, and I'm seeing all the years again. What I'd also like to do is add a second report filter field. So what I'm going to do is put region into the report filter box. And now I have 2 report filter fields. I'd also like to put department as a column, so I'll drag it over here. And I'm going to drag last name from the field list and into the row labels box. I now have department as a column. I have last names as rows, and I have 2 report filter fields. I'm able to now select a certain year, perhaps 2012, and OK, and a certain region, perhaps Tauranga, and OK. And this is the 2012 Tauranga data in my pivot table. You can have as many report filter fields as you like, as many or as little column fields as you like, and as many or as little row fields as you like. And I'm going to change this back to showing all the years, and OK, and change this back to showing all the regions, and OK.